Princess, how are you today? Happy Sunday. So remember last year we began the challenge of always making sure that anytime we go out we are adorned with our designs. So today I have this wonderful design. It's a cream fascinator. This the bed cage veil, and we have this acrinoline, and we have these feathers and this very giant flower attached to it, and it's attached to an Alice band. Okay, and the Alice band has the elastic band behind, so that when I dance it doesn't go off, it remains in place. So that's what I have for today as I go to church. So do let me see your own. You can send it to the Vent Craft Academy and say this was 7th January adornment. All right, so let's get the challenge on and let's see if we can do this every Sunday. Oops, out of the way. Okay, so I do actually have a DIY video on what I'm wearing. So in case you would like to, if you haven't watched it before, I'll drop the link below. Till we meet next time, sweet the Ventus. It's goodbye and God bless. Mwah.